This conference will now be recorded.
So today's topic is cash journal in SAP. So how to configure? Yesterday I discussed about the cash in hand and cash at bank. These two things is called as a cash related transactions, right? So what do you mean by cash in hand? Because it's a real account, it's a liquid asset. Cash in hand means how much cash in your hand, and cash at bank means how much deposits, how much bank balance you have. So we have to here incoming and outgoing cash related transactions we have to discuss. So first we have to create GL account. Why use cash journals? First I'll tell you that one. For cash journals, defines document type for cash journals document. How to configure that steps has been given. You can make a note. Set of cash journals, maintain business transactions, set of print parameters for cash journals, define numbering groups. So cash journals can be used to record all transactions involving cash in place of posting a journal entry via transactions code FB50. So T code is FBCJ, CJ for cash journal. So understood? Why use the cash journals? Ability to post all transactions related to cash receipt and cash payment in a single screen. Yesterday also I discussed about this cash receipt. Suppose we are purchasing some items, we need to pay the amount, and if we are selling some items, we have to collect the money. So daily cash positions including opening balance, total receipts, total payments, and closing balance is automatically calculated by the system. Entries are very quickly, so this is the use of cash journals. So entries are very quick and easy. Customized business transactions, daily, weekly, or current periods reporting available. Cash journals can be printed easily. So very simple to configure cash journals configuration steps. So here I have given steps like SPRO, financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transactions, cash journals. So step to create, I'll be telling you, but you can make your notes on this short notes. Then we'll start with this. Okay. How many students has joined till now? If all have joined, see this. Okay, six students. Misha has to join. So till that students, you can just make a note, and we'll do some more things also. Okay. So like this. But one more thing here, we should not enter any check transactions, payment in the form of cash. Either it is a incoming or outgoing, that transactions can be entered, but not the check related transactions. So in these steps, we have to create also document number range and define document types for the cash journals and maintain business transactions, print parameters also there. But we cannot get print out, but that settings I will tell you. Define number groups also it is there. Okay. So these are the things has to be considered. So understood students? So we'll start now. So SPRO financial accounting new banking. First I'll show you navigations wise how to do this. Okay. So we'll go to the our screen SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting. Okay. Then we have a bank accounts. Sorry, business transactions. This is the business transactions, not bank accounting. Then sorry, bank accounting, then business transactions we need to do here. Okay, business transactions, and here we get the options. Now I'll show you once again. Financial accounting new, then we have to go to the bank accounting, then we have to go to here business transactions, then cash journals. Okay, so create GL account for cash journals. So all are getting the steps. All are getting the steps, students. Hello. First, what we have to do? Go to the SPRO, self reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transaction, cash journal. Like this, we have to. Then we have to click on create GL account for cash journal. Click on this. You have to create edit GL account centrally means we have to create petty cash account. So what do you mean by petty cash and cash? Petty cash means small expenses. Okay, we can create petty cash account. Now I'll show you this what I have to create. So in this we have changed documents view. Already we have cash journals, AB accounting, select. So define document types will do, but here another procedure is also I've given where we can create cash journals. So what we need to do here, step 1 financial accounting transactions cash journal, create GL account for cash journals. So what the GL accounts has to be create petty cash account under balance sheets G001, understood, and create a bank, click on post automatically. Now I'm going to show and save this. Okay, so what I have to create here, we have to go to the, see already cash account we have, so we have to create petty cash account under balance sheet. Remember that cash account you should not create one more time because it's already present there. So go to the create. Now 1 lakh 7 I'm going to create. 1 lakh 6 is there, 1 lakh 7. Okay. So if you have different, you can create also. Now under balance sheets asset. Okay. So petty cash account. Petty cash account. Okay. After this control data. In the control data, which options has to be activate? In the control data, line item display G001, create bank interest. Okay, now you see the students types and description I have given asset. Accounts group I have selected balance sheet. Short text petty cash account. GL account long text is full name, you can write petty cash account. Click on control data. In the control data, IN Indian rupees. Then click on line item display. Posting date is 001. Click on create bank interest. Then you have to select G001. Okay. Then click on, Tell me.
Ma'am, for income and expenses, it's P&L account, no, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll just come to the screen. Tell me. Who is asking?
Ma'am,
Meghna?
yeah, ma'am, for income and expenses, the account group is P&L account, no, ma'am.
Yes.
For assets,
For
it is
assets,
balance.
listen here. Assets and liabilities comes under balance sheet. Income and expenses accounts group is PL account.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when you are creating like rent paid, commission paid, or discount receipt, so discount receipt is an income, and what is that? Your commission receipt, salary receipt. If you are purchasing machinery, all this, whatever you are creating, basically all income and expenses, you have to select the accounts group. What is that? Profit and loss. We have two accounts group. And when you are creating any assets like computer you are creating, suppose land account you are creating or cash account you are creating, that is all asset. So it will also consider as a balance sheet. It will go to the balance sheet accounts group. When you are creating any liabilities like Sunday creditor as a liability, Sunday debtor, and I'll show you once what are the things are under liability, what are the things are there. See here, liabilities accounts are capital accounts, Sunday creditor. So whatever GST we have created, that is also liability because this amount is a taxable amount. Income, rent, commission, sales, discount receipt, interest receipt, interstate sales, this all income. So it will comes under profit and loss account. Expenses, if I'll tell you, rent paid, interest paid, purchase account, commission paid, interstate purchase, this all comes under expenses. So expenses and income, when you are creating, you have to select P&L account. When you are doing all assets and liabilities, you have to select balance sheet. Okay. So after clicking your field status variant G's, field status group will be G001. Why it is G001? Because I told you G067 is for reconciliation, G041 for clearing tax, okay? G041 tax office clearing account, okay? And G0, suppose I'm giving 5. So when I'm creating ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, that we have to select G005. Likewise, other general ledgers when you are creating, that is all G00. Even cash account also in G001. Okay, so that's what I have selected field status group as G001. In this case, what we have to enable, you have to enable post automatically only. These options you can make a note, students. When you are creating, when you are creating assets like petty cash account, that time on the create slash bank slash interest, this data you have to click post automatically. Once you click on the save, it will get into save. Okay, so petty cash, if I want to display, see here we have options: find, create, change, display, change. Sometimes what happen mistakenly, suppose land account we have created under indirect expenses or indirect income something, so you will be able to change if you click on this and click on change, and whatever changes you want to do you can do. And this is what copy, suppose I want to copy this and I want to create a one new company and there I have to paste, you can do. But copy very rare cases we are using because we are creating our own masters. This is your block. Anything you want to block, we can set for deletions, change company. Suppose you have created one company, lot of transactions you have done till GST you have done. Now you are creating one more company and again you are doing till GST. Now the same, the difference you want to do means you have to click here change company code. Then again you will be able to create. Okay, this options as I told you update. This is some things based on the software it will update, not related. Print preview is there, and likewise, now I save. I want to display this once I'll do. Suppose I want to display the land account. So what I'll do in this case, I want to click on display. In this display, you can see what I have given: land account, create bank interest, all these things has been given. Okay. So it is on G001. Likewise, I want to see, just now I've created petty cache. So I want to display this. So types and description is asset, short text petty cache, long text petty cache, control data. I have selected Indian rupees. Then line item display, you have to click tick mark, then Z001 posting date, create bank slash interest. We have to select post automatically only. And this is used because it is in display mode, so it will be in gray color, so you will not be able to post. One more thing, when I taught you like suppress and required entries, suppress, optional, and required. Suppose it's asking suppress means what, optional means what, and required. Required means mandatory to fill that in the field status group. Okay. When I do general data and I shown you that, did you remember? You can see that recordings, and in that case, in display options, the color will become gray and you will not be able to edit. That is the display mode. Don't forget, in the future if it lasts, then you will be able to do that. So petty cache, now you can see I have done this. Click on save button and save this. Now we have to come back for the screen. Okay, which screen we have to come back? This I have done. So next we have to create define number range for the cache journals. So we did petty cache creations, then define document type. So define document type means what? We have to select AB for accounting document. Did you remember? Everything has a document type. Just like I told you for vendor document. Vendor document, what is that? KA. Customer document, what is that? What is the short form for customer document? Students, you tell me once. Document types. In the previous sessions and all, I taught you document types for vendors and document type for customers. Tell me, if anyone
D
remembered, that is, tell me. DA for customer
customer doc.
document. Yes. DJ for this is so must. This is must, you have to remember in practical life. Okay. So K, as one more time I'm repeating, KA for vendor document, KR for vendor invoice, KZ for vendor payment. Sorry. Likewise, DA for customer document, DR for customer invoice, and DZ for what is that? Customer payment. That is incoming payment. Okay. Likewise, we have in cash journals also document type. So make a note on this. What is the document type for cash journal? That is nothing but the AB. So how to do this? So how to do this here? Self-reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transactions, cash journals, define document type for cash journals. So we have to go the same path here. Now come back to the SPRO. As we have created the petty cash account, come back to this here and okay, it will not take, I think, 1 second. I will come out from here. So here we have come out. Next, what is that? Define document types for amount limit. What is that? Just click and see this. What is amount list? Amount limit. Usually it is not required. So you can skip for this. Next is define document types for cash journals. Double click on this. Students, you have written the path here for define document type for cash journals. If you have not written, please make a note. This is a short, this is the path to follow. So define document type is AB. Number range is 01. Reverse document type is AB. Okay, everyone getting students? So did you mention the path? Have you written the path? Okay, so we'll do now. If you have a doubt, let me know. Okay, so take the positions. First, you see, we have to go to the same procedure one more time. If those who have joined right now, I'll show you once. So, financial accounting, go to the SPRO, financial accounting. You have to click on bank account. I'll do all these things one more time. See this. So, financial accounting, bank accounting, business transactions, cash journals, create cash journal GL account already we did just a few minutes before, and define document types for cash journals document. Now click on position button, type AB. What is that? AB. Now you can see AB for accounting document. If I double click here, you will get the number range is 01. Okay. Number range is 01. So you write AB for accounting document. Okay, it's done. Now double click here, number range is 01. Click on number range informations, give the company code MT10. So first you see display interval 01 has been created. Okay, if I'll give the number range 01, it is accepting or not, we'll see. Click on intervals 0, 1. Here is 2023. Document number range, I am going to give 1 lakh to 199. Okay, so here I'll give 1 lakh to 199. Okay, click on this, already available it's telling. So we can do different number range, it is not mandatory 01. So what we'll do in this case, because we cannot change 01, click on save buttons, because 01 is the document number range for the cash journals, because there is a procedure here students, we will not able to change. Okay, so what I'll do in this case, okay, save this document, it is asking. I think it will accept. Once we'll check a look. Okay, already 1 lakh it is there. In this case, we can do one solution. We cannot change this document type. Why? Because there is a procedure AB document. Suppose positions, if I'll take KA, so it's taking vendor document. This document's number is fixed. So in that case, what I'll do, I'll just copy this. I I think this we can use, this not matter because it's already there 0 1, so we can copy this and come back intervals. Sorry, here I can do one more time, change intervals, intervals 0 1 2023, document number range 1 lakh to 199. It's already exists, so we can do directly, I think. Or we need to create one more time because it's done means it's okay. We'll try once. Without this, we can save or not. Data has been saved. The changes were saved. It's telling. Okay, no problem. So what we'll do here now, set up cash journals. So copy code 001, give the company code here. So give company code and TAZ1 account number. So define document number for the cash journals, range maintenance, cash journal documents here. So we have to go to this here and come back to the sessions. Define number range intervals for cash journals document. So next session is next procedure is define number range intervals for cash journals. If I click on this MT10 display, here we can do once, I think. Okay, so here change intervals. Okay, we can create here students, that is mistakenly I have done there. So this is 1 lakh to 199, we can do that. Okay, click on save this. Now this document number has been created. Okay, the changes were been saved. Come back here, display intervals. Now this document number has been created. Okay, define number range intervals for cash journals document. So next is what? If you'll go to here positions AB, you can see here, double click on this. This data will be there, MT10 display intervals. It has been done. And if you go to the come back again, one step back, define document types for this define number range MT10 display intervals, it has been done. If you go to the change intervals, it will come here. Okay, so this document number has been created. Next is set of cash journals. So what you have to do, set of cash journals. So here you can see students, define number range for cash journal documents we did, document types we did, and here we have to do cash journal. So set up cash journals, copy code 001. We need to copy 001. Why? CJ for BR28. Now what I'll do here, you take the positions of this company code MD 110, 10. It is there. So it is not there. So what we need to do? So positions, if I'll give cash journals numbers. So here we have a code. So if I'll give 001 cash journals number 001 0001, I think. So click on this. You can see here cash journal is there or not. If it is there, we can copy the cash journals. No, it is not there. So default one is 005 is there. So don't be scared. If it is 00 is not there, we can take 005 because it's a beginning one. In this case, copy this. You have to select this. What is that here? INR. AB is displaying KZ, KZ, DZ, DZ, petty cash. All these things is displaying. I want to show you now one table. So we'll get to know. So give the company code TS01 and GL accounts like the petty cash accounts, currency INR. Okay, likewise, you can create some more rows. So give cash journals name petty cash for HO. Now I'm going to show you little difficult this is. So what we need to do here I'm copying and copy as. Once you click copy as, what we have to do, we can select your company code. What I'll give MT10. Okay. So this is the cash journals here. If I'll click on this code, you can see it is showing like this 001 design or something. Okay, so I have given the code is like you can see copy code 001, give the code is TN10 and CJ is BR01. What is BR01? What is BR01? See, 1 lakh for cash account is there, and we have created petty cash accounts also. That will do also. Uh, Escape. Sorry, I will cancel these transactions. I'll show you once again. See here, set up cash journals. Copy this. See here, petty cash journals we need to select, not the cash journals. So AB and click on copy as. Here you have to give your MT10. Okay. Here you have to, this is C, cash journals G001. So what I have given here, you understood now? I have given company code CJ is BR01. Okay. So CZ is BR01. BR for what? This is the cash journals. If I want to select here, I have to select which cash account. So no value selections. Okay. So let me do here accounts and I have to select petty cash account here. Petty cash, where have I done? Yes, this one, 1 lakh 7. So this is the petty cash account. Okay. Next, what we have to do, we have to go to the another entries. So likewise, we have to press enter. So number one has copied. Okay. Likewise, one more for few more transactions we can do on this. So here we have given, try to understand, this is very complicated things here. So GL account, select petty cash account currency and give cash journals petty cash for HO. Likewise, you can create some more rows. Okay. Then in this case code, I have given business and this one create, change, delete. This is the things. Right now I'll create one row. So number one has been copied. Again, you select this, click on new entries. So this is for cash journals. Likewise for HO you can create. It is given an example for petty cash expenses for any other sum like you are purchasing some items you can give INR I have given. Okay. Again you select this KR, KZ, DA, DZ is there. And here you have to do, okay, give the cash journals name petty cash for HO. Likewise create some more rows. Okay, we'll create hardly 3 to 4 rows here. Click on this and copy as. So here MT10, you have to click petty cash journals. Okay, Hmm. Likewise you can do, but right now I have saved these transactions. So take the position here. Company code is MT10. See how it has been done. So if I'll give 005, if I'll give 001, click on this. Now you can see this is the company code 001, 1 lakh, then AB, then this one. So in this case, I'll just select this. What is the INR here? Any INR rupees is that? So we have to do that one. Cash journals for OO. Okay. So this I'm going to select and I'll change the codes here. cash journal for HO, cash journal for like this you can see petty cash for HO. Select petty cash account. You can create some more rows. Okay, and one more row we'll create. So this is G005. Okay, copy as. So I am going to change this MT10. Okay, this is cash journals here, and this is I'm going to this is cash journal 2. This I am going to give petty cash account. This is INR. So here I have to change what is that Indian rupees. Indian rupees. So next petty cash journals for what I will give. You can write here for cash journal for HO. So petty cash journal hyphen you can give HO. So if it is not there, you can just mention petty cash HO. Okay, HO for head of the department like this. So what you have to do, press enter. So along the text with the post, see long text. Click on continue. Target must be different from the source key. Okay. So I'll just take the positions. MT1. Select this. It has been done. Click on save. So first you have to save with the company code. I have not saved, so it is not taking. Likewise, if I'll take here and go to the save, data already saved. Likewise, 3 to 4 we can create. Okay, so click on this and copy as, and here I am going to change some more rows. Okay, so select this MT10. This is your, I am going to take okay, so 002 will take, not a problem. One second. This is also will take 1000. Copy as. So this I am going to enter MT10. Okay, and this is what we have to take cash journals. So we have to take cash account here. We can take if you want. So cash account I am taking now, and this is ABR cash journal. Sorry, AC. So I have to get assistants AC or something I am giving. For accountant and all, I have given the cash journal. So likewise, we can give here. Okay, choose a valid functions. Okay. Okay, press enter. Should be posted automatically. Yes. So it should be posted. Ensure that this can be posted automatically. Okay, fine. Press enter and so see the long text. Continue. Target key different from the source key. Okay. Save this first. So we'll take the positions MT10. Click on this. So we have created at least two, no problems. For HO it is taking, and this one, two more we have done. One is petty cash and one is that. So why it is asking data has been changed? Okay, yes. So data has been saved. So a set of cash journals has been done. Next, what you have to do, create, change, delete business transaction. So in the business transactions, we have to follow some more procedure here. So in the business transactions, code is MT10, then receipt from bank account. So we have to do here receipt from bank account. This record you have to do. So we have to take on new entries. We have to click on new entry students, not the position and all. So all are getting little tough this subjects today. Anyone has any doubts? Anyone has any doubts? Little confused. This is the things. Now see here. We have to do here. See different bank account, ERCS. All this thing is there. I'm going to show you that we have to give first company code, then we have to do business. So we have to click on new entries, GL account we have to select for this 1 lakh one for ICICI bank I have created. Then cash journals for business transaction, cash receipt from bank. This is like transactions type. What are the transactions? Then amount optionals you can give on this. Like for payment to bank, receipt from bank, C for receipt from bank, B for payment to bank, R for revenue, E for expenses, D for customer posting, and K for vendor posting. Okay, so this and all we are going to create now. So if I'll do here, like I say, it's a bank, it is a payment to bank. This is receipt from bank. This is revenue to sales, means we are going to sell some products and we are getting sales. In that case, cash sales. This is the cash payment. This is the cash receipt. And this is the D for customer posting, means cash receipt. We are getting money from the customer. K for vendors, cash pay to vendors. Now I am going to do that. Click on new entries. So company code is MT10. Company code is MT10. Transactions it will ask. So function code don't give. Here you can see a little bit. Increase the size. We cannot do, I think. Okay, here we click. First, what we need to do, we have to see. First is receipt from bank. What is my questions here? First, we have to receipt from bank, and that is your ICICI bank. So, receipt from bank, you select GL account. What is the GL bank account? Cash receipt from the bank. Little confused, little bit stuff. So GL account ICICI bank you have to student you have to give, and cash receipt. The transactions you need to write cash receipt from the bank itself. Okay. So you have to select the bank account here, and this is you have to write what is this T. T for transactions, like it is all tax connections. So I'm not going to include any tax here. So leave that. Cash journals for what? Cash journal for what? Receipt cash from the bank. So this you have to mention cash receipt from the bank in the transactions part. So cash receipt from the bank. Cash receipt from the bank itself. Next, what we have to do, other things you need not to do here, I think account mode. You have to click on account mode optional. So you have to click on this. So functions cannot be selected. You can leave this or see here one more time. Business transactions. Okay, now it is taking students, you can see that. So here and again empty 10. What is the next one? Empty 10. Then click on this and select the payment to bank. Which bank it is? We have to select function code. We have selected no payment to bank. Then we have to click on this and we have to select ICICI bank. In this payment, cash payment to bank. Cash payment to bank. Okay. Next word is that we have to click again empty 10. Here we have to select what is the next options here. Revenue. Revenue means sales. So sales account you need to select cash sales. Sorry, cash sales you have to select here. So in this case you have to click on this. Now revenue. Sequentially you need to do. Here we need to select sales account. So we have sales account. So what is that? Sales. You can do cash sales. Okay. Cash sales you can do and you can save this. So don't save. We'll do some more things here. Cash sales. Next we have to do empty again. So don't click here, empty here, because we are creating now. So we have to give our company code. Select this here. Next one, expenses. E for expenses. For this, what you have to select? Purchase account, right? What you need to select here? Purchase account. You can select office expenses. Okay, so I have selected because I have not created an office any expenses account. So I have just select the purchase account. If you want, you can create one office expenses, one ledger under expenses and paid expenses. You can mention it. So I'm selecting now purchase account because I don't have any expenses account. So if you want, you can see machinery account or something is there means that you can take up, not a problem. So I'm going to take machinery accounts instead of purchase account. Okay. So here, what is that? Machinery expenses. Machinery. Acha, machinery account is not an expenses. Try to understand. Machinery is an asset. Machinery is an asset. So what is the GL account for expenses? Did you remember? 4 lakhs. Okay, 4 lakhs rent paid, all these things are there. So instead of that, I am taking purchase account. Now you understood. If I'll enter as a machinery expenses, it will be wrong because machinery here I am taking as a asset. Okay, so I need to enter the expenses account here. So 4 lakhs it will be there. So paid expenses you can give here. So here expenses. Okay, likewise again one more we have to create empty 10. Then we have to select next options. What is that? Next options we have a customer posting, vendor posting. Customer posting we have to select. In the customer posting, so we have to select cash received directly. Customer posting, D for customer posting, need not to do any GL transactions. Cash received from customer, cash paid to vendor. So we have to select directly here cash received from customer. D for customer, cash received from customer. Okay, so you can just mention customer here. Cash received from vendors. So again empty 10. Here you select what is the last one? Vendor posting. Sorry. Here you have to write cash payment to vendors. Cash payment to vendors. Understood? Till that any doubts you have, students? Any doubts you have? So after this, what we need to do? We need to save this. So specify tax code it is asking. I think for this it is asking tax code Y. R is for revenue. If it is asking, you can take it also, not a problem.
Ma'am,
Specify the tax code or select the indicator change tax code. Okay. Just tell me.
ma'am, For cash receipt,
Why it is asking? Because we have enabled tax for sales, no? So for that reason, it is asking the tax code here. Understood? Tax code we have done, no? So it is asking the tax code here. One second. Out central tax is this one. Okay. GL account permits only X1, X3 is not permitted. GL account 4002. Okay, I'll just check it. What is the 4002? One second, students. So I'll just check. See 4002. 4002 is purchase account. Okay. Yes, I got to remember this. This is only your tax code will be X1. Choose a valid tax code. Okay, 1 it is. Okay. So press enter. Not staking, students. Now you tell me what's doubt you have. It's all accepted. Because
ma'am,
sales, cash sales I have given it. Tell me.
ma'am, account mode only for the first one we have given the tick mark, ma'am. We have not given for the rest all.
That is for only one. That is account mode for only cash receipt from the bank. Only for one it is tick mark. All will not give tick mark for this. This one you are telling. So only for one you can give. Cash payment to bank also you can give. Cash receipt from the bank, cash. Here it is taking here. No problem. Function code cannot be selected. You can save this. It was already saved. But this and all you don't do. Accounts more for cash receipt from bank and cash payment to bank. Okay. And for this D and K, don't write any like ledger accounts here. Only for purchase, sales and ICICI Bank I have selected. Optional is for one I have given, but you can do for all. Not for all. Solely for cash receipt and cash payment, we can do that. Next is set of print parameter for cash journals. Set of print parameter for cash journals. So how to do? Now this I am going to save. Click on back button. So you can take the position here. Company code is MT10. Click on this. Now you can see all parameters has been come up. So this is the change maintain view cash journals transactions name. So our all is completed. C for acha. Don't forget that C for cash receipt, B for cash payment, R for sales means revenue, E for expenses, D for customer, K for vendors. Understood? For that only we have created. After the save and come back. You can save this and come back. Next is set of print parameters for cash journals. Click on this. Now the print parameter, this is little different. I have to check with this it will work or what. So copy 001 company code and change the give company code. Our company code only MT10. Okay, go to SAP Easy Access Accounting. This general ledger account, that is the cash journal posting will be there. So now I am going to do this here MT10. Copy 001. Where is the copy 001? So we have to create 005. Nothing but only copy 005, copy as, give the change the name here. What is that? Our company code you can give MT10. Okay, cash 20 SCP8 that will be displaying. You need not to change anything here and just click on save button. So it will accept on this. Press enter. Number one of copies is completed. One, save this. So save with the company code. Okay, now this has been done. Cash journal printing programs has been done. See here also some things is there like report variant and all. So click on save and come back to this previous positions. Now the last step is like, last step is what? Go to SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger one posting have to do, documentary, FBC से cash journal posting. Okay, so we'll do cash journal posting here. So we have to go to the SAP Easy Access. So what is that? You can go back. So your accounting, financial accounting here, financial accounting, general ledgers, document entry. So general ledger students, then we have to do document posting is there. Okay, one second. This is the document entry FBCZ. CZ. Okay, one second. I'll just let you know. Document entry. Okay, sorry. Here we have to click document entry and then we have to do credit cash memo, but it is not displaying here. So financial accounting, one second, just I'll check it. FBCZ. Okay. So what we can do directly also we can set here slash n FBCZ transactions. Okay, sorry, I have not given slash n. So it will taking now. Okay, this is the cash journals FECZ and here cash purchase 10. So it is displaying students. Right now you can see on the screen cash purchase 10,000, 15,000. So this is not our company MT12 it is. So I have to change my company here. How to change this company code? One second, I'll just tell you. Here we have a company code options. So cash journals company code will change here. First, I think we have to do the transactions. Without this, it will not be taking here. I think. Okay, one second. Change cash journals. Choose a valid functions. MT10. So cash and MT10 does not exist in the MT10. Okay, we need to pass some transactions. Then only it will because we have not done any transactions. So it is not displaying students. So what I will do here now, I'll be doing some transactions F0. Normal entries will do. Suppose invoice F22. General normal entries. So once posting. So I'll take general postings. Take an example of like 7th and this is posting key. I'll be taking suppose vendor payment or some things you can do or else I'll create one land account. Suppose I am purchasing some items. one second, this is also different company, I think. Yes, someone has used this system, I think. That's what the things has been changed. One second, students. This has to be changed. Okay. So here I'll do machinery account. Suppose I am purchasing. Press enter. So amount is 25,000 or 25 or 23,000. Suppose I am taking. Okay. And here value date I'm going to give value date 7. A text is being machinery purchased by cash. So posting key is 50. Accounts is cash. What we need to select? Cash account. Okay. So press enter. Amount is star and text is plus. Press enter. Simulate these transactions. Post this. Okay. Likewise, one more will do. 7. Now I am what I have to do here, cash receipt. Okay, cash receipt means I will select the cash, press enter. I sold the items like 15,000. What is that? I have sold. Value date you have to give 7. Line items being goods sold on credit. So cash to sales I am doing, being goods sold on credit. Posting key is 50. Here I have to use sales account. So what is that? Sales account. Likewise, one more entries will do and we'll get to know that. So this is the star. Tax code is also activating. See this? So text is plus. Press enter. Simulate this transaction and post it. Tax amount incorrect. I think it will be tax. It will be X2, I think. Okay. We'll just change it. For sales, our central state GST. It has been posted. So next what we have to do, one more will do for purchase. So here I am going to select purchase account and press enter. Petty cash also we can select, students. Now suppose I am selecting here petty cash account. So amount is I am giving 26,000 and text is like being goods purchased by cash. Being goods purchased by cash. So what will be the entries here? 50. So we have to make payment for this. So I'll take suppose petty cash. Petty cash we have created. Suppose I'm giving this one. Why petty cash? Because we have post outcoming payments we have enabled there. So that's the reason. So accounts cannot be posted uh, in company code. Why internally? Okay, we'll cancel this. And we can go to the app. See here, it is showing FBCZ cash journal posting. So I'm going to change this company code MT10. Okay, here we have to change the date, students. So that's the, it is taking today. Now it is showing business transactions. We can do here itself directly. And this is you're showing like the display period it is showing. So 7th. Here also we have to change as a 7th. Okay. And opening balance sheet, total cash receipt. And I'm going to change this company code 10. Here I am going to give here, sorry, here you have to give your company code 10, sorry, MT10. Okay, I'll let you know how to do this once. So here new entries, edit options, we can go. Display period for today, start options, and this week, set posting date, document date system. Okay, so today's it is displaying. Now I am going to, company code has to be changed here. So will not be able to change 75,000. Acha, one incoming payments will do once. So amount, I think it is a vendor posting it asking. We'll check once. This is 25,000. Value date, today's date, incoming. This number range 14 is missing. Someone has used this. They have changed it all. Okay. We'll take one example. Yesterday we have done some data, right? So that we can check it, yes. Yeah, our coming here, this is your cash account. If I'll take your petty cash, then it will be done. I think petty cash we have done. So enter. I'm going to change this. Sorry. One minute. So incoming payments. Document date 7. Sorry, here you give. Document date is 2024. Account, fill the required fields. 26,000. Value date is, we have to give 7th. Okay. Accounts type, this is account 7. Can only be posted in the internally MT7. Okay. Any vendors and customer things you have entered means that we have to do that. Okay, we'll do one thing here. Whatever postings we have done yesterday class, that will be checked once. So it will be in the documents, display document FB3. So this is the document number 1012. I think I will just check it. 2023. You have to give fiscal year. Press enter. All the documents has been changed someone. Okay, we'll take 6 lakhs. 2023. Someone has entered some things here. Okay, this is Sohan Traders Private Limited. We have done on 1st of February. Okay, so 1st of February we have done. This is the which is the document number. Which is the document number for this 6 lakhs one. Okay, so 6 lakhs one we have done, and next we have to do here. What is that? Outgoing payments, business transactions. They have changed this company code, students will be not able to do here. So I need to change the company, but that options is I have to check change company donors. So we'll be checking first master records. One second. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounts, master records, GL account, individual, FS centrally. Yes, here is the problem, students. Company code has been different, so that's what it's not changing. So I'll be changing the company code here itself, then it will be acceptable. Okay. So I have created there, but I need to change here. Click on this. Now our company code has been done. So what we have created, that now it will be displayed. Okay, so here is the problem was there, so I just rectified. Then you can go to the cash journals. Here we'll be able to change. I think we'll just check it out. MT10, company code is MT10. Does not exist in the company. Okay, one second. So we have to check master records, assets. Again the same option is happening. Control data. So we have to do create bank interest. Okay, I'm going to change here something. So post automatically we need to do. And this is suppose in the any other, like we have created petty cash accounts that we need to save first. Okay, click on this. And expenses we have done purchase account. In this also we can do post automatically, that is the status group is there supplement. So you can select this. and save this. All these things you save it. Next we have to go to the income. On the sales change I need to do here also post automatically you can do on this. Okay, click on save. So if we are going to do so liabilities accounts we have done some things. It is not required. Purchase and sales you activate. Petty cash we have to activate. Okay, then come back to the screen and now I'll go to the FBCZ. So this is week today and we need to change here company cash journals for 110. So I think there is some mistakes has been happened. So here receipt post deal select one entries. Okay, we'll be taking here. This MT12 someone has used so it is fixed they have done. We can rectify this in another means tomorrow by class. Change cash journal. We'll change cash journals here. 110 because already we have created all. Okay, so let me do one more cash purchase master records. Okay, so here we have to create one more assets like GL account. I'm going to change this assets. So create change this code MT10 and here I'm going to create fill all the records. Okay. So cash purchase 1 lakh 8 I'll be creating. 1 second. 1 lakh 8. Click on this change the company code. Click on this and we have to create your balance sheet. Sorry, balance sheet not cash purchase. That means what we need to do here. Cash purchase is not a expenses or account. Just a minute. I'll be not save this data. This is your by 4 lakhs. This is expenses and this is income. So we need to create two more ledgers here. So if I'll create the change the company. Okay, and we have to create under expenses 4 lakhs 5 I'm going to create 4 lakhs 5 and this is you can change it as a 4 lakhs 5 company code you change it as a MT10. Click on this types of descriptions PLN account and this is an expenses. Short text is cash purchase and here we have to do cash purchase account. 1 second. Cash purchase account we have to do. Next, control data. INR post with you have to do line item display and this is short key 001. Create bank interest post automatically you can do here And field status group is what? You can take general accounts, click on save. Okay, likewise we have to create one income, 3 lakhs 5, 3 lakhs 6. So I'm going to create 3 lakhs 6 and click on this. So types of description is bill and account, it's an income. So cash sales. In this we have to create cash sales account. Control data, line item display 001. So create bank interest here, G001, post automatically, click on save. Okay, so likewise if you have interest received, type descriptions, control data, create bank interest, also we have created. If I'll do change, I can say post automatically, click on save. So this has been done. Now if I'm going to try this FBCZ cash journals, so change cash journals, I'm going to change here as a 110. If it is not happening, we'll be doing by tomorrow. There will be some stuck, it is there, maybe someone has another company is using, so cash journals empty does not exist the company, so it's telling I will rectify by tomorrow this why this issues has happened. Okay, so there's need not to worry, it can be solved by this. Someone has done, okay, we will do in this company, it will be getting to here. Suppose I am giving 2 lakhs. Okay, so tax code, it has not given GL account. If I'll give here purchase account, cash account, all these things is given, so you can give your cash. This company code is not able to change, that's why it is showing, or else we can do that. Cash account and received, cash received, this is, so account ready to input the business. Here we need to check it is a cash receipt. So you have to select your cash receipt if you are doing business transactions, you need to do here like cash sales. Okay, because we are receiving now. Amount is suppose 10,000 I am giving, and your GL account follow on documents has not been posted, must be passed. Okay, now it is taking cash received. Text you can write as a like here not required text. Recipient it will ask, vendors it will ask for cash payment, and this is the things. If I'll press enter and you can save this reels, select any one entries, okay, and post this still. So still ensure that it will be taking here automatically. So this is only company code is not able to change in this case, or else it will be posting here. So it's become this. Now we have to go to the press enter and you can see receipt. So M12 company parameters. So here you can print cash journals M20. Okay, post it, post automatically. Click on this. So here a little mistakes is done because this is not my company. Someone has used this one. So we can do that. Okay. So this week, next week, 2 days, all these things we can do here. So 19 it is taking. So if I'll do 2 days date, I'll be taking here 6. I'll be taking here 7th. Positions has to be taken. Cash payment, cash is now it has become one has been done 85. Now before you see it was 75 it was displaying. Now opening balance is showing it is unaffected has been done as a 85. Only we are not able to change our company code, that I will let you know why it is happening. Okay. By tomorrow it will get ready on this. So this is the cash journal sent to students. Likewise, if you have a cash payment, cash purchase 20,000 has been done. Document split, this is your GL account. Okay, must be filled with this recipient. If any person is there, that names you can give. So then you have to do vendor payment. Suppose you have done any vendor payments item, you can do this. The person who has done also not it is done properly. So that is the option is displaying. Enter, then you can click on post. Now it is 65. Now you can see because we have done payment. Before how it was showing students 85,000 it was displaying opening balance. Now I did expenses 20,000. So it is showing 65. You are understanding students? Any doubts in there? You are getting only we are not able to change this company code that I'll be showing you one more time by tomorrow. But how the cash is affecting, if you are paying through cash, then it will opening balance is getting affect. Now you can see in that particular company only I'm going to do this here. Now 65,000. Okay. So if you have a check receipt, so in that case what you will do, suppose interest receipt you have done, then amount I am giving here 5,000. Okay, so GL account you have to select. GL account I'll give here, this person is not created like any bank account, so it will be taking cash. It will not take bank account, you have to give. So this cannot be done here. I'll try this, but if it is not done, I see interest receipt by cash, post the deals. No, because it's wrong. Why? Because that is a check transactions. If bank account is not there, you will not be able to do this. Only the thing is that we can do here cash purchase and cash sales. Understood? Any doubts in that? So you are getting to know how this it is affecting cash journals beyond company code. So cash, click on cash journals, petty cash TA01. Okay, so this is the things of this cash journal students. Like this you can practice. I will show you with my company what companies we are using, that will do, but here it is not able to do this. Okay, so I'll just let you know what is the things has to be done, because lot of transactions we have done on the cash that will be displaying. So FBCZ is cash journal postings, you can practice with this. And tomorrow I'll solve this for our company, what are the total balance will be doing, and as well as we'll do the dunning procedure. Okay, so I'll show you one more time the steps what we have done. So set up cash journals. One more time, I'll go to this SPRO. So come back to this previous sessions. Slash n SPRO, press. Okay. Slash n is not required, student. Just write SPRO, press enter. Self reference image. We'll check once what's the problems is there. Financial accounting. Then we have the banking accounting, then business transactions, then cash journals. Okay, create cash journals. You can click on this, and this is here. Here is the problem is there. Okay, so here change this your company code. Then someone has set the company full things here. So that's the reasons it is displaying here like that. So here we have a petty cash accounts we have activated. If I'll go to the display options, I have gone to the post automatically. Okay, if I'll go to the cash account display, control data, descriptions, petty cash account. So I'm going to display this one, and this is also I have done post automatically. Okay, so that is the things. And if I'll go to the cash expenses, cash purchase I have done. Okay, cash purchase and income. Okay, what we need to do here, come back. So it is now displaying here. So SPRO, one more time I'll be doing. So banking accounting, then business transactions, cash journals, create cash journals. Yeah, now it is displaying students. Next we have to do define number range for cash journals. Positions document type is AB. Press enter, and this we have to do number range empty 10. We have all done. Just take a look on this. 1012 current number is there. Okay, can I delete and create one more time? Okay, we'll try to delete this, but we'll not be able to delete this. You know why? Because there is no delete options. We can just copy this. No, this we can't copy here. Number range empty 10. So click on display. It has been created, students. We need not to do anything. Then we have to come back and define number range for cash journals empty 10. Click on display intervals. This has been done, and change intervals if you do also it has been done. Cash journals MT1001 has been created. Okay, if you want to go to the status, you can see the status here. It is displaying here. Okay, save it, save this, come back. Next we have to set top cash journals. So here take the positions here. Company code is MT10. Cash journals number for this MT10. Click on this. See, now the problem is happening. So here our not taking this, the company code MT10 cash journals we have to create for this. So we have already done, students, but I have saved or not we have to do. So GL account cash journals we have to do. One second. Here is the mistake little, I think. So we'll be checking that one. Cash journals for business transactions, business account, all these things has been done. So 1007 INR CA closed. AB type of transactions. This also MT10. To save this, positions MT10. Okay, let me try once. It is taking or not. MT10. Sorry. Here we have to click MT10. And here also we have to change MT10. MT10, and this is also MT10. Okay, if I am going to save this, okay, press enter, and already same key. Okay, already it is there, it's telling. So we have created, but why this has to be done like this? So MT10, click on this, MT10 3 we have created. Okay. So 1,07,000 is for petty cash. This is also for petty cash. This is cash journal for this accept. Okay. So now I'm going to save this. It has been saved with the now cash journals is going to save. Data has been saved. We'll try once now. Next is create, change, delete. So positions, you take company code MT10, click on new entries. So we have done cash sales, cash purchase. Okay, save this. Come back and come back to the SAP easy access. So FCZ. Now you change this cash journals for this MT10. Okay, click on this. Does not exist. Okay, we'll check and tell you by tomorrow itself. But you can the procedure is same, students, only will not be able to change this company code here. Other things has been done. Okay, so you can practice with this. Whatever doubts you have, let me know in the class. Tomorrow this technical issues I'll be changing and I'll be showing you that things. Okay, why this company code is not being changed. Cash journals empty company 4 will be changing by tomorrow itself. Okay, so that's all for the today's, and tomorrow this particular this issues I'll solve and we'll do dunning procedure. Is that okay? Hmm? So all students, this is getting affect when you are doing business transactions. This will be affecting opening balance, total receipts. It will display total payments based on this date wise. It will be displaying. Okay, based on the date wise, it will, because it's a March it has given, so will not be. So if I'll click on today's, so you have to change the date here. Posting current positions, display the periods, and we can do that. Okay, so that we have to do this. Okay, any doubts in this? So only small changes has to be made, like the country, like sorry, that company code has to be changed. Other things are same, students, you can do that. Okay, is that any doubts? All the students, you understood procedure follow like this. Only in your company it not be showing because this system someone is using, so company code has been changed. So that issues I'll be solving by tomorrow itself. Okay. Any other doubts you have, students? Like the previous sessions, previous classes? Hello? Yes? Anyone? Misa,
No,
Shanvi?
ma'am.
Okay. Only we have to change this company code. Our all transactions will be coming out. So that technique, that issues I'll be solving by tomorrow itself. That's all. And next class will be I'm going to start dunning procedure also. So same only, it is just I have to check it out. So tomorrow's class, the new topic will be dunning procedure. Dunning means sending a reminder letters to the customers for making payment itself. So now I want to ask you how much you have practiced, students. Till yesterday class you have practiced, till GST you have practiced, tax code you have created. Yes, anyone? Hello? Answer me now, anyone. How much you have done, students? Meghna?
Ma'am,
Hello?
I finished tolerance group creation of GL account. Ma'am.
Have created. Okay. So do that. General posting F02. Then you do vendor accounts, vendor invoice, then customer invoice has to be done, then GST is separate, GST is the longer part. Okay, so that's all for the day, students. We'll continue tomorrow, and this particular cash journal is issue, only that last cash journals I will be showing you with our company code MT10. Okay, and we'll start dunning. Okay, so practice with this. So I'll wind up the sessions today. Bye bye.